So welcome students. So in this question you're asked to find integration from minus 3 pi by 2 to pi by 2 x plus pi whole cube plus cos square of x plus 3 pi dx. So it's a very straightforward question. X plus pi whole cube, the integration is nothing but x plus pi whole power 4 by 4 going from minus 3 pi by 2 to minus pi by 2 plus cos of x plus 3 pi is nothing but minus cos x, but when you square it, it becomes plus cos square x. So cos square of x plus 3 pi can be written as cos square x itself. So integration from minus 3 pi by 2 to pi by 2 cos square x. So what is the integration of cos square x? Cos square x can be written as 1 plus cos 2x by 2. So the integration will be half times x plus sine 2x by 2 from minus 3 pi by 2 to minus pi by 2. So that is equal to, if you put minus pi by 2 here, you get pi minus pi by 2 is pi by 2 power 4 by 4 minus. So if you put x is equal to minus 3 pi by 2, minus 3 pi by 2 plus pi is minus pi by 2 whole power 4 by 4. Both of these are same because if you raise minus pi by 2 to power 4, so you get plus pi by 2 power 4. So these two are getting cancelled. That means this is equal to 0 plus half times, if you put x is equal to minus pi by 2. So minus pi by 2 minus of minus 3 pi by 2 is minus pi by 2 plus 3 pi by 2. That is pi. Plus half times sine 2x, sine minus pi, sine minus 3 pi, both are equal to 0. So you get plus half times pi plus 0. So the answer is pi by 2. So this is equal to pi by 2. Thank you.